Hello dear learner, I am Miss Barawkar Vishakha from Delonix Society, Baramati College of Pharmacy. Today I am going to discuss a topic that is back filter under a guidance of Professor Sri Krishna Barawkar sir. Let's first see the learning outcome from this webinar is we should know the information about back filter, that is introduction, principle, construction, working, advantages, disadvantages, etc. Then we see use of back filter machine in daily life. The next is we see points cover under this topic is first introduction, second definition, third types of back filter, fourth principle, fifth construction, sixth diagram, seventh working, eight advantages, nine disadvantages. Then we see introduction of back filter. Back filters are commonly called fabric dust collectors that are used in large industrial units for separating dust particles from dusty gases. Back filters are commonly called fabric dust collectors, and in large industry, back filters are used for separating dust particles from dusty gases. This type of back filters can achieve efficiency level of almost 99% for collection of very fine particulates. This type of back filters can achieve or successfully brings about the efficiency or quality level of almost 99% for collection of very fine particulates or particles in dusty gases. Dust-laden gases enter the structure of baghouse and pass through fabric bag that act as an inlet. First, dust-laden gases mean higher hydrocarbons present in the gas. These gases first enter the structure of baghouse through dust air inlet and then pass through fabric bag that act as a filter. Bag used in back filters are made using different kinds of fabric like cotton, synthetic or glass fiber material. The bag used in back filters are made up of different kinds of fabric like cotton, synthetic or glass fiber material. The shape of the bag is either like a tube or an envelope. The shape of this back filter is like a tube or an envelope, means flat paper like. Then we see definition of back filter. A baghouse, also known as baghouse filter, back filter or fabric filter, is an air pollution control device and dust collector that removes particulates or gas release from commercial process out of the air. A baghouse, also known as back filter, baghouse filter or fabric filter. Back filter is an air pollution control device, means they remove air polluted particles in dusty gases, and dust collector means they remove dust particles in air. We use various commercial process and then gas release in the air. There are three types of back filter. First, shaker, second, reverse air, third, pulse jet type. Pulse jet type is most promising, one of the outstanding results. This pulse jet type give outstanding results in the industry. In a pulse jet type, back filter consisting of a four-sided hollow metallic body which is conical at the downside. This pulse jet type is a four-sided hollow metallic body and is conical at the downside. This conical shape at downside is also called as hopper. Then we see principle of back filter. In a back filter, side separation of dust from the mill powder is achieved in two steps. In the first step, the dust or powder is passed through a back filter or cloth by applying the suction on the opposite side of the feed entry. This facilitates the separation. In the first step, dust-laden air or mill powder is passed through a back filter through dust air inlet. Then we apply suction. Suctions mean we apply partial vacuum for the removal of air on the opposite side of the feed entry. This facilitates the separation of dust particle or fresh air. In the next step, pressure is applied in order to shake the bag so that dust adhering to the bag falls off, which is collected from the conical step. In the next step, we applied pressure in the filter bags. So in the filter bags, shaking takes place. For this shaking, dust adhering to the bags are falls off. Then we collect this dust through conical base in a dust chamber. Then we see construction of back filter. The construction of back filter is shown in figure. It consists of a number of bags made up of cotton or wool. These are suspended in a sheet metal container. The hopper is arranged at the bottom of the filter to receive feeds. At the top of metal container, a provision is made for the exhaust. Each filter bag placed in venturi mounting plate or tube sheet. Let's see the construction of this bag filter. Let's see filter bags. These filter bags are made up of cotton or wool fabric. Then these filter bags are suspended in a metal sheet container. These filter bags are suspended in metal sheet container. Then see the hopper at the downside. This hopper is arranged at the bottom of the bag filter. Function of this hopper to receive feeds from the dust particles in dust chamber. Then see filter bags. These filter bags are placed in venturi mounting plate. Then see clean air outlet. The function of this clean air outlet to remove fresh air in the environment. Pulse jet cleansing system is here. The function of this pulse jet cleansing system to receive dusty air. Then see working of baghouse filter. The dust laden air passes through bag filter bustle. First, the dust laden air passes through bag filter bustle or dust air inlet. Then this air is evenly distributed, evading channeling. Then this air is equally passed in the filter bag. So in filter bags, filtration takes place. Initially, a coat of material appears on the filtering medium. In a filter bags, the coat of material appears. This coating helps to the filter bag for filtration of dust particles in the air. The dust is collected on filter element while the air passes through the filter bag from outside to inside. After passing air in filter bags, we collect the dust particle in dust chamber. While the air is passed through the filter bag from outside to inside means we pass air from dust air inlet through filter bags. The accumulated powder is dislodged from the bags by turning around pulse jet air or by mechanical shaking irregularly. The gather or stick powder on filter bag is removed by turning around pulse jet air or powder is also removed by mechanical shaking irregularly. Next is the dislodged powder falls on the cone is released through powder discharge valve. Removed powder is first collected on bottom cone or hopper and then this powder is released in powder discharge valve. The dust-free air is sucked by induced draft fan and is fatigued to atmosphere. The dust-free air is sucked by the induced draft fan and is fatigued to atmosphere or in fresh air. Knockers are provided on conical portion, especially for sticky or hygroscopic material. The special knockers are provided on the conical portion of the bag filter. The use of these knockers to remove sticky or hygroscopic material from the filter bags. Our company can provide, according to the user's demand, to provide the filter bags and pulse valve. This is a figure of bag filter machine. Then we see this filter of bag filter machine. Here is a dusty air inlet. The function of is dust air inlet to pass air from outside to inside. Then see filter bags. The filter bags collect dusty particles from air. Then see pulse discharge valve. The function of this pulse discharge valve to remove dust particles. Then see air header. This air header remove the dust particle, remove the fresh air in environment. Then see the blow pipe. The filter bags are attached to blow pipe. Then see clean chamber orifice. There is a chamber of clean air chamber in the filter machine. Then see clean air outlet. Then see dust chamber. The dust chamber remove dirty particles. Then see hopper. The function of this hopper to collect dust particles from the filter bags. Then see rotatory valve. This rotatory valve collects the dust particles from hopper and release in dust chamber. Then we see Advantages of bag filter. Top quality media. Easy removal of bags for cleaning. The bag filters, bags of bag filters is easy removal for cleaning. Temperature range from 35 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius. The temperature range of this bag filter machine is 35 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius. Various options of filter media to suit the process. There are various options to suit this bag filter machine process. Bag filter is extremely useful for removing fines which cannot be separated by other metals. This bag filters is useful for removing fines or dust particles from dusty gases, and these dust particles cannot be separated by other methods in industry. Then we see disadvantages of bag filter. Bag filters require a large floor area. This bag filters machine is heavy. Then this bag filter require a large floor area. Bag filters are damaged at high temperature. This bag filter machine is damaged at high temperature, means above 400 degrees Celsius temperature. These bag filter machine are damaged. This type of filter do not handle corrosive gases or moist gas stream, means ammonia or carbon monoxide gas. This type of gases is do not handle by this bag filter machine. Thank you.